Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. My DJI FPV drone is now on order, and since I have to pay for it with my own money, I have to wait a few more days. Let's take a look at my buying decision. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here we are ordering the DJI FPV. Oh wait, that's the wrong website. I really want to share that with you. This is Apple's website, and I'm amazed how one-to-one DJI is actually copying the whole concept, how they're presenting their website and products. Okay, switch over. Here we are now at the DJI website with the new DJI Almighty FPV full ACRO capable quad. Innovation is always great for all of us, especially if companies taking it serious, creating new products, innovating and providing more value to new target groups of customers. Rip through the clouds with speed, power, complete control into the beyond. Seriously, DJI? Well, yeah, for a Star Trek movie, maybe that line holds, but actually I like it. I know what they want to say. We all know. And beyond, that is what I want to have it for. 10-kilometer range is not the next galaxy, but it is quite far. And when we want to have a long-range cruiser where we can do occasionally some light freestyle and getting some high resolution shots from this camera, which is 4K and great, it is nice to have it in the squadron, filling in that gap which is not really there in FPV without a complicated heavy GoPro on your quad. So I will see if I can make some valuable use out of this. Before the DJI FPV was released, I had hope and said in my last video, what if DJI combined best of both worlds? That this is capable of full acro mode, but that you have a button that you can press if you're freaking out or losing orientation, that it's bailing you out and hovering, not crashing, making everyone a better pilot overnight. Well, it's exactly what they did. We have that button, and here it's displayed very nicely. Flying, losing orientation, hitting the pause button, and it's slamming on the brakes, rock solid, standing and hovering in midair, waiting for you to come to yourself and taking over, continuing the flight. Imagine you want to go on a long distance flight in winter in the mountains and you want to take some nice shots. You don't want to always calculate how much voltage is left and focus on the batteries, how warm they are, and worrying about that you can maybe not make it back, but you want to get that next little hill and tree, so you don't want to go back home, but maybe you have to. Well, all those things are now displayed nicely in the OSD. And DJI is helping you really focusing on the flight, still having fun and doing acro if you really want. And it has really nice built-in augmented reality. It is showing you an age where your home position is. So you are not really in that situation that you have to map in your mind where you were flying, where you came from, that you can find your way back home. It is easy to see right in front of your eyes in your display as augmented reality. Augmented reality because it is just projected into the real world which your camera on board is capturing. So what did I finally get? I got the drone with a package of the drone itself, the FPV goggles from DJI, the version 2. I have the version 1 for all the rest of my quads, so I can compare that back to back. Content will come soon. Then I got the Fly More package, if you want to call it like this. I got the 2 extended intelligent flight batteries with the charging bank for a total of 3 batteries. And here we are actually already breaking the bank. We are at $1,300 for the drone, the goggles and the controller, plus $300 for 2 more flight batteries and the charging bank for 3 batteries in total. So because of that value, I put another $200 in for the 1-year coverage of destroying 2 drones, which DJI will under that warranty and care plan replace, landing at a total of $1,800. And I will have it in my hands in the next days, so will give you my opinion and review if that is really worth it, if I can recommend it, if I would do it again, or if I wouldn't. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more content to come. Have a great rest of the day. Stay safe and see you in the next one.